Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily delete a SSH key on your Bitwarden on PC. So first, we have our SSH keys right here, as you guys can see. Let me delete the hello one, which isn't a clone. And here we need to click on it, then click on the trash bin on the right side at the bottom of the screen. And here we want to click yes to send this item into the bin. Remember, this is our key right here. Now we want to click on the trash icon again, and this will permanently delete this item after we click yes. So make sure that you actually want to delete it. Now let's just click yes, and the key is gone. It's a very fast process, so that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.